Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great and having great days. If not, it will be like very soon. It will be good very soon. So in today's video, I'm going to be creating this glamorous golden and black smoky eye looks with these beautiful red lips, and honestly I am completely loving this look. It has to be one of my most favorite makeup look, and wedding season is going on, so it will be like a perfect wedding guest makeup look. And also, can you believe that I have achieved this beautiful makeup look only using Swiss Beauty products? Beauty is one of the most affordable makeup brand, and they have sent me a bunch of product with this like beautiful PR package. It has lots of beautiful product in it. I will show you what they have sent me and how I have created this look. And also some products I love like Fabulous, and some product I don't love. So I will share everything with you how I have created this look. And yeah, if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. सो माई स्किन इज प्रेप्ड बट नॉट प्राइम, क्योंकि हम लोग इस्तेमाल करेंगे स्विस ब्यूटी का प्राइमर. So first I am going to show you what they have sent me. First of all, look at this beautiful box. Definitely I am going to keep this. So yeah, let me just open it now and will show you what inside it is. So yeah, look at this. Here I have bunch of beautiful makeup products. So yeah, first मैं एक एक करके मैं जब इस्तेमाल करूँगी then I will show you कि क्या सेंड किया है उन लोगों ने मुझे. So first they have sent me this product. This is Swiss Beauty primer cum foundation and it cost 700 or something, and I will link down every products in the description box. And also a quick disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by Swiss Beauty. They have sent me this PR package, but you guys requested me to do a video using Swiss Beauty because they are really affordable, so that's why I am doing. So yeah, I was talking about this product. This is in the shade Ivory, and I believe that this will be little lighter than my skin tone because my skin tone का जो undertone है which is golden, Ivory is will be like little lighter than me. And yeah, but look at the packaging. Like this is like one of the most classic packaging, and it cost only 799 rupees, and you are getting two products एक साथ. And also look at the packaging, like it reminds me the Charlotte Tilbury kind of a packaging. Like look at this, the rose gold kind of a strap, black cap, and उसके ऊपर like Swiss Beauty का यहाँ पर logo है which is like extremely seems costly. So yeah, now I'm going to open it so you can see that this is like quite like seems expensive and fancy. So yeah, यहाँ पर है primer and which has like a luminosity which will give you the glow. So yeah, it's a silicone based primer, purely it's a silicone. Yes, it feels silicone based, and what I am looking is that it has like a little bit of a sparkly effect in it. So yeah, what I am looking is that it is giving me little bit of glowing effect, not too much honestly, but yeah, it's smoothing out my like skin. It feels very soft and hydrated also. So now I'm going to use the foundation to see. Yeah, it's too light for me, like too light for me. I have to mix some darker foundation with it because you can see that it's quite light. Okay, so I have blended this side, and what I am noticing is that I think it's the primer that my foundation blends really very quickly. When it comes to foundation, honestly foundation के साथ मैंने एक और भी foundation mix किया था to match my skin because that foundation is really very light for me. So I can't give you like the exact proper review of that foundation, but yeah, what I am noticing is that मैंने दो foundation mix किया था, and अगर दोनों foundation का जो quality है वो match नहीं करता है, so it doesn't give you like a proper base. But you can see that my base is looking like top notch. And what I am going to do is like, as the foundation shade is little lighter than my skin tone, I will use it as a concealer. So then I am going to give people the proper review. Oh my god, this foundation is like really very good. It has like a quick blending effect, and it will give you like a medium coverage, and I think it's buildable. Like look at the difference. It instantly like brighten up my under eye, and also it gives a coverage which looks quite like medium to like fuller coverage, and I love the foundation. Like I really love the foundation. And first product, this product is like you have to buy because it only 799 rupees and you are getting two products, and two products are like top notch. So yeah, definitely try this. First product is really good. So now it's brow times and they have sent me a beautiful product, and look at this. Like look at this, it is looking like I am using a high-end product. Like the packaging is like too much, like too much. So look at this, it has a rose gold packaging in it, and also it has like a brush attached to it. And the best part of this product is that first product is your brow product, and it has a mirror in it. Can you see it? Like इत्तू सा product में भी एक mirror है, and if you twist it like this, you are getting a liner, like liquid liner. So I mean, what is this? Like this is something I have never used, and it cost only 299 rupees. I mean seriously, you are getting two products for 299 rupees with a brush, where एक side पे angled brush है for your brow and एक side पे ऐसे normal brush है to smudge your eyeliner and all that. So yeah, it's like a too much. So now I'm going to try the brow product. You can literally see that it's unused absolutely. So first time I'm going to use. So this is the difference between two my brows. You can see that it's looking lovely, and brow product is like a thumbs up for me. I haven't tried the gel product one, like eyeliner gel one. I will try, but the brow one is like too good. Like this product has to be like my favorite one from now towards. Because when it comes to brow product, I am like very picky, but it literally took my heart. Okay, so brows are on and it looks really good. So brow product is like thumbs up for me. Let's next move on to eye product. So eye makeup. So eye makeup के लिए they have sent me this glitter liquid eyeshadow, which is like one of the most beautiful thing for me, because like I have eyed on this product for such a long time and it was like out of stock. Especially this shade was out of stock every time, so they have sent me this. So I am like loving it, but only this product I can do a eye makeup. So what I am going to do is I will use the liquid liner and I will create a black and golden smoky eye look. Let's see how it turns out. And also they have sent me a kajal, and I am going to use like this kajal, this liquid eyeliner and this this liquid eyeshadow and this liquid eyeliner. And also they have sent me a mascara. First I am going to use this kajal and will draw a little liner, and can you see that it literally एक ही stroke में it gives me this much of color. And yeah, so I will do this. इसके साथ मैं blend करूँगी. Okay, so I draw like a wing eyeliner, which is not wing eyeliner because I am going to blend this now. So now I am going to use this liquid gel eyeliner, which really I want to try. So मैं थोड़ा सा ये, oh my god, this is so beautiful. So I am going to now use it. Okay, like it's really very beautiful. So I am going to use this, and what I am going to do is मैं inner portion पे थोड़ा सा liner इस्तेमाल करूँगी like this. And I'm going to like quickly इसको मैं बंद कर दूँगी, otherwise it will dry down. And now I'm going to take like this kind of a flat and smudging brush, and I'm going to smudge it quickly, otherwise ये dry हो जाएगा. So I'm going to like quickly smudge it now. Inwards पे मैं smudge करूँगी, not like outerwards पे. So yeah, now I'm going to smudge it. And I haven't used any other eyeshadow. जो है मैं उसको ही blend कर रही हूँ फिलहाल अभी. I haven't used any eyeshadow yet, so which is the best thing. And मैं फिलहाल इसे अभी blend करके मैं थोड़ा सा inwards पे लाऊंगी to give a curve to my crease. So like this, like जो है इस पे मैं उसको ही drag करके I am like dragging it to my inner corner ताकि ये थोड़ा सा एक curvy effect है. But I haven't used any eyeshadow in my lid, though I will clean it. But मैं यहाँ पर कोई eyeshadow इस्तेमाल नहीं कर रही हूँ फिलहाल अभी. And now I'm going to switch my brush, and I'm going to use like this kind of a small fluffy brush, and जो है मैं इससे like अच्छे से blend करूँगी. एंड कैन यू सी दैट यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा डार्क है एंड जब ये अंदर आ रहा है तो इट गिव्स ए लाइक a more like a lighter effect. And honestly I haven't used any eyeshadow, so yeah, which I love the most. Okay, so now what I am going to do is जो foundation मैंने इस्तेमाल किया था, as it's really lighter than my skin tone, I am going to use and do a cut crease, not like a regular cut crease, it will be like a half cut crease just to clean this area. मैंने यहाँ पर कोई eyeshadow इस्तेमाल नहीं भी किया है, but still I will cut this portion and will use that glitter, and I am so excited to use that also. Okay, so as you can see I have used the concealer इतना तक. I haven't dragged the concealer towards like the inner corner, sorry outer portion पे, तो मैंने हाफ तक ही इस्तेमाल किया है. And now I'm going to use here that beautiful golden liquid eyeshadow which is calling my name. Yeah, whenever you use any kind of a liquid eyeshadow you have to be very quick, otherwise like it will dry down instantly. So now I'm going to use it. So, oh my god, it's so pretty, like it's really very pretty.
Like, look at this, like look at the color you guys, oh my god, it's really pretty.
It's really very inexpensive. If I am not wrong, it cost like under 200 rupees. I have the silver one, but this golden one is like the best one. And like as I have said before, I really wanted to buy this for so long, but it was like out of stock. Now let me just quickly blend the upper portion, otherwise it will dry down. And I'm going to use that same fluffy brush, and I'm not going to take any eyeshadow जो है. Okay, so now I'm going to do my lower lash line. So first I'm going to use the kajal, and I'm going to use it to my waterline. And now I'm going to use that liquid liner, and with that same brush as इसका जो brush का यहाँ पर का जो tip है which is really very fine, I'm going to use little much. And इसको मैं अभी फिलहाल बंद कर दूंगी क्योंकि it will dry down. And I'm going to use this mirror, it's really very cute, and I'm going to smudge it like this. Then I'm going to take that same brush जिसके अंदर कोई eyeshadow नहीं है, and I'm going to soften it out. Oh yeah, now I'm going to repeat the same eye look here, and also I will use the lash, and then I will be right back. Okay, so I am back and my eye makeup is done, and look at this, like I totally can go to any wedding occasion to attend because it's perfect. And kajal, eyeliner and the liquid, like liquid जो eyeshadow था, which is everything is like top notch. Honestly अभी तक कोई complaints नहीं है. So now I'm going to use the mascara which they have sent me, which is Swiss Beauty Professional Makeup Lash Look Mascara, quite big name, and I don't know the price, and I will link down everything, don't worry about that. So now I'm going to use the mascara. So oh my god, it looks so luxurious, and it reminds me the Better Than Sex mascara, and I completely love the packaging. It's a rose gold kind of a beautiful packaging. So what I am noticing is that as my eye makeup is extremely heavy, you can't even get my lashes, but I think you can see the difference. Mascara is really good, and the best part of this that it doesn't clump my lashes, which generally do like every mascara, but it's not clumping up my lashes, which I love the most. And the application is quite smooth, it's not something I have to struggle and anything. Like if you are doing a nude eye makeup, it will like more give you like the best result, honestly, because my eye makeup is extremely heavy, so you can't even detect the mascara ka jadoo. But if you do a little, like you can totally see the difference, man. I completely love this. Like, can you see the difference? Like look at the length, like look at the length, it like doubles. Anyways, next move on to the face part. So first I am going to use the blush, which is one of my most favorite, and the sun is so upset today and it's so gloomy. Like thoda sa agar sun hota to the makeup will look more beautiful. So they have sent me this beautiful pinky and rose gold kind of a blush, and it's a baked blush. You can totally see that, and it has like glow. Like you can see that it's a shimmer blush. It's not like a regular powder blush. So I'm going to use first, I'm going to use little कि कैसा ये है देखने के लिए. And yeah, you can see that it's giving me a beautiful glow, but it's not like highly pigmented, which a blush should be, otherwise it will be like very difficult to balance with. And it's a beautiful blush. Like look at this, my cheeks are looking like so cute and beautiful, and the glow is not something very like chatak. It's very mild glow, which will look very pretty. And as I have like a golden undertone, I love to use golden undertone kind of a highlighter and blush जिसके अंदर golden highlighting हो, and you can see that it has a golden undertone in it. So if you like love silver or peach like champagne undertone, I don't know if you like this or not. Hopefully इसके अंदर अलग variations भी है, but I completely love this. Like this is something which I love. I didn't have any shimmery highlighter that much, but it's some shimmery blush that much, but this is something really beautiful. Even I can use it as a highlighter also. So yeah, it gives me a beautiful blushy effect, and I completely love this blush, man. Like I am a blush girl, you guys know that. So yeah, maybe I am using too much blush, but I love blush. Like look at this, it's literally give me the pop. Like what is this? And it matches my eye look also, as my eye makeup is extremely glamorous. It literally balancing my eye makeup, and oh my god, the blush is really good. It's not extreme. And also स्विस ब्यूटी बेक्ड जो ब्लश का है उसका जो पैलेट है 4 blushes है उसमें, which is one of the most popular blush. Even Bollywood actor and actress and makeup artist use that. So you can understand that the blush has to be the best one. So okay, so they have sent me a beautiful jelly highlighter. So only thing is that जो negative मुझे लगा है, which is they have like covered it with a foil packaging instead of foil packet. If they have covered with like a it has like a, अगर इसके अंदर कोई second cover होता, so I think that will be like great, क्योंकि this is open now, it's open, इसके अंदर only जो ढक्कन है वो. So yeah, it's a jelly highlighter, and look at this, this is so delicious, and I'm going to use it. But can you see it has lots of glitter particle in it, and as my makeup looks really good, I don't want to like मैं इसको खराब नहीं करना चाहती हूँ. I don't know how it will turn out. Like look at this, oh my god, like look at this, can you see that? This is so cute, oh my god. Anyways, I'm going to use it. So I'm not going to use it directly क्योंकि ये it looks little bit of chunky for me. I'm going to use it the back of my hand, and I'm going with my finger. I'm going to use it here, and it's extremely goldeny, so be careful about that. But let me just blend it quickly. And yeah, it gives me a patch kind of a effect, which I don't love. Like it's not even quick blending. It's a highlighter or not, let me just see. Yeah, it's a jelly highlighter, but it's not giving me such any highlighting effect, and it's drying down quickly. Like can you see, it gives me a patch, and which I didn't want actually. So like I don't know, this highlighter is not working for me. Let me just use it on my eye. Yeah, oh my god, this as a liquid like as a liquid eyeshadow, like as a liquid golden eyeshadow, it will work perfectly. Like can you see that it literally gives like a more drama to my eye look. So yeah, I can use it like this. As a highlighter, I am not going to recommend this to you because it is not blendable. Like it literally quickly like it's like क्विकली ये ड्राई हो जा रहा है, एंड ऑल्सो इट हैज़ लॉट्स ऑफ चंकी ग्लिटर्स इन इट. एंड हाईलाइटर पे मुझे पर्सनली वो पसंद नहीं है. लाइक द ब्लश का जो हाईलाइटिंग इफेक्ट है, कैन यू सी दैट इट्स लाइक अ शेयर हाईलाइटिंग इफेक्ट विच लिटरली गिव्स यू लाइक अ, जब सन आपके ऊपर हिट करेगा दैट विल गिव यू द ग्लो. बट हेयर कैन यू सी द पैच, and also can you see the patch here which is the highlighter, and it's not blending. So for highlighter के लिए I am not going to suggest you. this they have like a baked highlighter, which is a highlighter palette. You can try that, but jelly highlighter is not working for me as a highlighter, but as a eyeshadow it's working for me perfectly. Like, can you see? So for that they have sent me this beautiful red color, and this is in the shade Fire Red, and this is their Swiss Beauty liquid cream, I guess. And yeah, like they have sent me some beautiful products you guys. Like उन लोगों ने बहुत सोच समझ के I think भेजा है, क्योंकि आई मेकअप के साथ blush it's looking beautiful, and the lips is going to look very beautiful, I believe. So yeah, let me just try now. Yeah, oh my god, it's a beautiful color, man. And of course it's a liquid lipstick, and ये dry हो गया है, and of course it's a transfer proof liquid lipstick. It's not heavy too much, it doesn't feel heavy, even it doesn't feel that I have used any lipstick. I have used so much liquid lipstick, and this is the one of the most comfortable formula. So yeah, everything, like the makeup is done, my god, and this is so freaking beautiful. And the review is like everything is top notch, everything, like I don't have any complaint. Only the liquid, the jelly highlighter is not like to me, क्योंकि as a highlighter it doesn't give me a good job, but as a liquid eyeshadow it's like perfect. Like it literally, look at my eye makeup, like ये completely it has changed my eye makeup. So yeah, now I'm going to quickly change and I will be right back. So yeah, this is my final look, and this is way too much dramatic, and I even don't want to remove my makeup. It's completely beautiful, everything is like top notch. Like I'm feeling very sad that I have to remove this, because I don't want to remove this. It's completely a party wedding makeup look, and wedding season is going on, you totally create this look. So yeah, hopefully you have liked it, and also hopefully you have like you have like learned something how to do a golden and black smoky eye look. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will link down everything in the description box, do not forget to check that. And also do not give this video a thumbs up if you like this, and also don't forget to comment down below how I am looking. For me, I am looking really beautiful. So see you guys on my next video again. Till then, bye, stay happy, stay positive, and have a good day. Bye bye.